Hello guys, and welcome to the very first tutorial. This is an introduction to CSS. So, what is CSS? CSS is a syntax language well, I say syntax today, it's actually a style sheet language, essentially to customize and change how a HTML website would look. Um, so, for example, it will take a website, a simple HTML like this. It doesn't look very pretty. In fact, it looks terrible. Um, it will take a website like that and it will change a website to look something like, maybe, let's have a look. Let's go to Firefox, for example. So this is in fact CSS. So it will take the basics of a HTML site like this and change it to something like this. Now, there is so much you can do with CSS. The enhancements and the advancements of CSS has been dramatic over the last few years with the introduction of CSS3, and some of the new syntaxes for that has been unbelievable. Eventually it's gonna surpass some certain things that we necessarily won't need anymore. But for example, just to see how this is actually using CSS. So if we use Chrome developer tools, so right click and go into inspect, you can see here they've got something called classes, which we'll cover later on. You can see classes, but what you may want to notice is down here. So this is in fact the CSS. So it's saying we got a main, so that's a semantic HTML5 element. So main is a HTML, but then this part is the class. So it's saying the class within main, and then do this. So margin top 400 pixels. But what we can do with the inspector elements is we can actually turn it off, and you'll see the website slowly changing, as you can see here. And we can do anything we want, but we won't go into too much detail. The point is that it's CSS is just to make the website look very pretty and to give a professional looking place where someone can view and access and not have to worry about a page like that. So we'll go on to the next video, which will be about CSS references and tools.